Moss Foundation and Barry University are aligned in many different ways, but most notably today, are reminded of how committed we both are to our communities, making them better places and enhancing the quality of life for all those around us. This is the essence of our EMS and fire academies that are supported by this generous donation. Programs that are meeting the critical demand in our community and assisting people during times of severe crisis in their lives.
At Moss Foundation, we focus on giving around three areas that are important to the Moss family, our foundation, and our company. It's education, it's veterans, it's first responders. Everyday firefighters, EMTs, paramedics, and emergency management professionals answer the call when the rest of us are facing some of our hardest moments. And we believe they deserve the best training and preparation possible, which is why we stand behind Barry University and this opportunity to fund this program. The impact of this gift won't be measured by a piece of equipment or a building. They'll be measured by the lives your graduates touch over the years once they're completed. On behalf of the Moss family, the Moss Foundation, thank you for the work you're doing. We're honored to be a small part, and we look forward to continuing to see the impact this partnership creates for years to come. So thank you.